Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into Apple's M3 lineup to help you decide which machine is perfect for your needs. Is it the sleek and portable MacBook Air, the powerful and versatile MacBook Pro, or the all-in-one iMac? Don't skip any part of this video because we're breaking down the key differences, performance, and features of each device. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of which Apple M3 product is the ultimate choice for you. So let's get started. And remember, I'll be revealing the clear winner at the end, so stick around. Also, don't forget to check out the product links in the description below. Let's go! Apple's M3 MacBook Pro arrived unexpectedly in late 2023, surprising owners of the earlier M2 model. While the rapid pace of Apple's chip advancements is impressive, the M3 still boasts exceptional performance and a stunning design. Available in a range of configurations, from the $1,849 14-inch base model to the over $7,000 16-inch behemoth with 8 TB storage, the M3 MacBook Pro caters to various needs and budgets. Our review unit, a 14-inch model in the sleek new space black finish, featured 18 GB RAM and 1 TB storage, offering a solid balance of performance and cost. Design-wise, the M3 MacBook Pro is a familiar sight, closely resembling its M2 predecessor. This isn't necessarily a bad thing, as the solid aluminum chassis and sturdy lid contribute to its premium feel. The inclusion of a full-size SDXC card slot, HDMI 2.1 output, and MagSafe charging port is commendable, but it's worth noting that the MacBook Pro's chunky profile is a result of these features. The 14-inch Liquid Retina XDR display is a visual treat, offering vibrant colors, impressive brightness, and sharp details. It still delivers an exceptional viewing experience. Unfortunately, the notch at the top of the display remains, an unwelcome design choice that detracts from the overall aesthetic. The webcam housed within the notch captures clear images in various lighting conditions. The 6-speaker system provides clear audio output, making the MacBook Pro suitable for video conferencing. The keyboard offers a comfortable typing experience, though it can be a bit noisy when typing rapidly. The spacious Force Touch touchpad is highly responsive and precise. Powered by the M3 16-core CPU, the MacBook Pro delivers blazing fast performance. Even with demanding tasks like running numerous tabs, intensive video editing, and handling heavy workloads, the laptop barely breaks a sweat. Benchmarks consistently place the M3 ahead of its Windows-based competitors, showcasing the power of Apple's silicon. Battery life is another highlight. While the promised 22 hours might be optimistic under heavy usage, the MacBook Pro comfortably surpasses the competition. In our video loop test, it achieved an impressive 15 hours and 44 minutes. Despite its strengths, the M3 MacBook Pro comes with a hefty price tag, especially for the top-tier configurations. For most users, the base model or mid-range options will suffice. Apple's 24-inch iMac has undergone a refresh, incorporating the latest M3 chip, while retaining the vibrant design that made its predecessor a standout. This all-in-one desktop offers a compelling package for users seeking a balance of style, performance, and ease of use. The iMac's design remains a highlight, with its colorful chassis and slim profile making it a visually appealing addition to any space. Setup is a breeze, thanks to the included keyboard and mouse that pair automatically via Bluetooth. However, Apple's continued reliance on Lightning ports for charging accessories is a curious decision, especially given the recent shift to USB-C on iPhone. The 4.5K Retina display delivers stunning visuals with vibrant colors and impressive brightness. While lacking a nano texture glass option, the screen is generally excellent. The integrated 1080p webcam, 6-speaker audio system, and triple mic array provide a superior video conferencing experience. Unfortunately, the inability to adjust the screen height remains a limitation. Powered by the M3 chip, the iMac offers snappy performance for everyday tasks and even handles light gaming with ease. While the M3 is an entry-level chip, it delivers significant improvements over the previous generation. However, the lack of options for higher-tier processors like the M3 Pro or M3 Max is a missed opportunity. The iMac's port selection is adequate but could be better. The base model offers only 2 Thunderbolt USB 4 ports, while higher-end configurations include additional USB ports. Given the device's all-in-one nature, more ports would be beneficial. Despite its strengths, the iMac comes with a premium price tag. For users seeking a powerful all-in-one desktop with a focus on design and user experience, the iMac is a compelling choice. However, those on a budget or with specific performance requirements might find better options elsewhere. Ultimately, the 24-inch iMac with M3 offers a refined experience, but it's essentially an incremental upgrade over its predecessor. While it remains a strong contender in the all-in-one market, it lacks the groundbreaking innovations that could have truly set it apart. As a seasoned digital nomad, I've always prioritized portability without sacrificing performance. The M3 MacBook Air has proven to be an ideal blend of these two essential qualities. While I previously relied on the more powerful but bulkier MacBook Pro for video editing, the M3 Air has surprised me with its capabilities. The Air's familiar design, featuring a squared-off chassis and a sizable notch, is both sleek and sturdy. Its lightweight construction is a game changer for those on the move, significantly reducing the strain on my back compared to the heavier Pro model. The spacious keyboard and trackpad offer comfortable input, while the 6-speaker system delivers impressive audio quality. The M3 chip is the real star of the show. Its exceptional performance efficiency allows the Air to handle tasks like video editing, photo processing, and general productivity without breaking a sweat. While it may not match the raw power of higher-tier MacBook Pros, the Air's ability to maintain performance on battery power is a significant advantage. For most users, including myself, the M3 chip offers ample power for daily computing needs. The 15-inch display, while not groundbreaking in terms of resolution or panel technology, is perfectly adequate for productivity tasks. Its accurate colors and comfortable viewing experience are sufficient for most users. However, those seeking the absolute best display quality may find options with higher refresh rates and peak brightness more appealing. Battery life is impressive, with the Air easily lasting through a full workday of moderate usage. For intensive tasks like video editing, battery life is reduced but still surpasses many competitors. The inclusion of 2 Thunderbolt USB-C ports capable of driving external displays is a welcome addition. While the MacBook Air's starting price is competitive, configuring the machine with additional RAM and storage can quickly escalate costs. For most users, the base model should suffice, but those demanding higher performance or storage needs may find themselves spending significantly more. Choosing the right Apple M3 device depends entirely on your needs and budget. If you prioritize portability and solid performance for everyday tasks, the MacBook Air is a fantastic option. For those who demand top-tier performance and extra features, the MacBook Pro is the way to go. And if you prefer an all-in-one desktop setup, the iMac offers style and functionality. Ultimately, the best choice is the one that fits your lifestyle and workflow. Let us know in the comments which Apple M3 device you'd pick and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and comparisons.